Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to solve some problems about flange coupling design. Bolt, shear, and flange couplings. So we have given D is equal to 35 mm, N is equal to 6, D1 is equal to 125 mm, the T is 800 Newton meter or 800,000 Newton millimeter, and we have a shear stress of 56 MPa. So we are required to solve for the D1. So solution T is equal to N times pi over 4 times D1 squared times the shear stress times D1 over 2. So plug in the values, we have 800,000 equals to 6 times pi over 4 times D1 squared times 56 times 125 over 2. So we get the D1 squared is equal to 48.5. So since this is squared, we need to square it. So we have D1 is equal to square root of 48.5. So we have D1 is equal to 6.96 mm or 7 millimeter. So on to our next problem. Flange junction shearing. So we have the given D is equal to 600 mm, P is equal to 3 megawatts or 3 million watts. So we have N is equal to RPM, we have the thickness is equal to 100 mm, and we are safe limit is equal to 60 MPa. So we are required to solve for the shear stress. So solution T is equal to P times 60 over 2 pi n. So plug in the values, we have T is equal to 3 million times 60 divided by 2 pi times 100. So we have T is equal to 286 million or 478,900 Newton millimeter. So now we have our T, we can also solve for the shear stress. So T is equal to pi D times the thickness times the shear stress times the D over 2. So plug in the values. Our shear stress now is 5.066 MPa or simply 5.07 MPa. So on to our last problem, key design, Woodruff key torque capacity. So we have our given D is equal to 35 mm, the shear stress is equal to 46 MPa, we have W is equal to 10 mm, and we have the length of 30 millimeter. So we are asked to solve for the torque or the T. So first, Fs is equal to W times L times the shear stress. So we have F is equal to 10, which is our W, 30 our length, and 46 our shear stress. So we have our Fs is equal to 13,800 Newton. So since we have Fs, we can also solve for the torque. So T is equal to Fs times D over 2. So plug in the values, 13,800 times 35 over 2. So we have T is equal to 241,500 Newton millimeter or simply 241.5 Newton meter. That's all. Thank you.